Hi, I'm Ellen Gormley and welcome to my channel. I have an unboxing today. Today is an unboxing of a subscription box from A Darn Good Yarn. And here's the box that they sent me. So Nicole and the crew at A Darn Good Yarn sent me a box of their subscription. Now they have a yarn subscription box, which of course this is, and they have a fabric subscription box and a beading subscription box. So you can go to A Darn Good Yarn, and I'll put their link in the description box below and check it out. So the subscription box is an auto renew thing. It's only $10 a month though. And let's see what you get. So inside my first month ever of A Darn Good Yarns subscription box, there's yarn in this box, which looks intriguing. So of course we got to look at the yarn first. So this is adorable. Okay, so this is very soft. It looks like a roving. It looks like a size 4 and it's multicolor. I wonder how long the yarn color changes are. It's so pretty. Okay, so we have, let's read the description. Worsted weight silk roving yarn in watercolors. 50 grams, 75 yards. It has both a knit and a crochet gauge offered. Wonderful, thank you for that. And size 4 medium, handmade in India, hand wash. So they suggest a size 5.5 eye hook or a 4 to 5 millimeter, 7 to 8 or 9 US size knitting needles. So pretty. Hand spun and hand dyed by women in India. It's beautiful for you and for our global community. So this is made in India. Now, I don't know if you know the story behind A Darn Good Yarn, but they originally started, Nicole originally started with sari remnant fabric in India, and it was the fabric that they didn't need or leftover fabric that they didn't use when they made saris. And they gathered up all this fabric, and the ladies and men there both would like tear the sari fabric scraps and then sew it into yarn. And so it's a real kaleidoscope of silky colored yarn, and you can knit and crochet with it. And then they also like will dye it maybe or not, and it has fabulous results, and it's a lot of fun, and it recycles and reuses fabric, and it sustains that community. So yay for global cooperation. So thank you, A Darn Good Yarn. So with it though, with my yarn, also included in the $10 is the free gift for this one, or the gift that goes with it. You get yarn, a pattern, and a gift for 10 bucks. So in this one, this cute little package, there's 3 items here. A knitting needle, little Darn Good Yarn stamp on it. And then I suspect there's a second knitting needle because you need 2. But then there's also a crochet hook, yay! So this is so pretty, and it is so soft and smooth. It's really lovely. It's a US size 8 5 millimeter crochet hook. Nice, can't wait to try that. And look, y'all, it does not have a thumb rest on it. The shaft of the hook is the same diameter all the way across. You know what that means? You should check out my Tunisian crochet videos, because you can Tunisian crochet with this hook. Even though it's small, it's not real long, it absolutely would be great for Tunisian crochet as well. So I'm excited about that. Then the pattern. So in the box every month, you get not only a knitting pattern, of course everybody expects a knitting pattern, but you get a crochet pattern. Yay, they didn't forget crochet. Crochet is not forgotten. So a little story, looks like a little story here about Nicole and the Darn Good Yarn group. And let's see what this says about it. The yarn that you have here is a fan favorite. Our worsted weight silk yarn is 100% reclaimed silk and is hand dyed at one of my favorite co-ops in southern India. I wanted to have this yarn show off its sweet rainbow with a simple but powerful cowl. Okay, so cowl is the pattern. And so here's the description of the items that are included in the box. And here's the cowl, yay! So here's the photo of the knitted cowl. Nice. Very good. Yay, I might have to try that. Or I might have to try the crocheted cowl, yay! So you get to choose. Oh my gosh, but how do you choose? I guess, but you have two patterns here. So use the yarn that goes with the patterns to complete them, and then you have the patterns to keep. So you can reuse, obviously, the pattern over and over again with other yarns that you have in your stash. And for 10 bucks, I think this is a darn good value. Can you forgive the pun? Just the tools themselves, I absolutely would pay 10 bucks for wooden, pretty, gorgeous, smooth tools like this. So that's a great value. And so thank you so much to A Darn Good Yarn for sharing with us their monthly subscription box. This is the yarn box. Don't forget, they also have a fabric box and a beading box subscription plan. Also on their website, they have all sorts of patterns and gifts, and they actually have clothing that are made from the people in India, and really interesting story and a great little video on how it all came to be. So thank you, A Darn Good Yarn. So go to their website and check out all the other goodies that they have to offer and see if any of them are for you, that you can, you know, be a part of the global community and crochet and knit at the same time.